you have those extra crusty artisanal breads, this is really going to help you get through those. However, I will say my exception is when I'm doing pineapple or cantaloupe, I like the regular bread knife. So I guess you'd have to decide.
Yeah.
But
both will do the trick.
But both will do the trick for pretty much everything. I don't know what it is. Cantaloupe is my one exception with the bread knives. So I will tell you guys, and you can judge me later, but my kids love cantaloupe, and I will admit I never would buy them cantaloupe because I hated cutting it up because it would take me forever. But then when I started working for Wusthof, they were like, oh, we'll use your bread knife. And I was like, and it like changed my life. So I'll show you what I do. So needless to say, my kids are now allowed to have cantaloupe. So whenever you're cutting something round, you want to make sure that you get a flat surface. So I just do that, and then what I do is I take it and you almost shave down the sides. And because you have the serrated knife, you're not going to slip, and it's going to really get in there and allow you to do that. A lot of people do it with their cook's knife, and then what you do is you cut it in half, you open it up, you dig it out, you cut little smiley faces, and then every little smiley face you're going like this, and you're like, why are we doing this, right? You want to like throw it away. So